Well, I'm Chris, and this is my Tamiya unboxing only video. Mercedes license body, Zakspeed debis car. Not really a fan of Mercedes, but that is one cool looking Mercedes. This one is on a TT01 Type E chassis. In 2022, this is still a perfectly acceptable, awesome chassis to buy even right now. So I'm not gonna lie, that green attracted me to this car. I hope it looks good in real life. So all these 110 bodies are based off the wheelbase, and this one has a slightly smaller presence than you would expect. So it does have a custom wide body kit on it. That is very cool. Notice the post holes are cut on the front and back. Fender's cut, nope. So spoilers are always a good thing. Look at the grille and look at the emblems. That's awesome. So is the body gonna be hard? Oh man, we got a two-tone it. That can be a bit difficult. You gotta look super close, but it does have this like little scribe mark for your two-tone mask lines. So any Tamiya body with a two-tone paint job is gonna be 10 out of 10 difficulty. So be prepared for that. There's your colors. So spoiler and wing stickers can be difficult. Stickers that are placed at an angle can be very easy to mess up. So a little more added difficulty here, painting the inside of that grille. All right, window masks and moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Interesting. So as far as this body right here, I'm gonna stick with my 10 out of 10 difficulty. Be prepared for it if you decide to get this Mercedes. So the TT01 had the main drive shaft over to the side and the motor in the center, and then the Type E center shaft motor over to the side. I believe that's what it is. Very good chassis even today. So the only quirky thing about this chassis is you have to take this whole piece off and that to do a pinion swap, so it can get a bit frustrating. But other than that, I have no problems. I'm currently speed testing one of these and I've got it up to about 25 miles an hour so far. Very cool. So it comes with a Hobby Wing ESC for a brushed only motor and an option to run LiPo. Comes with a Torque Tune 540 brushed motor, servo saver. So the differential housings, ring gears, and spur gear in plastic. We have differential internals with metal. It gives you a 19-tooth pinion to start. So plastic bushings, no oil fill shocks, just a normal friction dampers, good for about up to 20 miles an hour. They're bouncy no matter what, but after 20 miles an hour, they start really getting bouncy. So we have standard Tamiya slicks all the way around, no foams in this kit. And I'm not gonna lie, this green is a bit more boring than I was expecting. It does not look like a hot, vibrant green. To best describe this, it looks like Crayola crayon green. You know, at first glance, I thought that was gonna be a very, very easy body, and it turned out it's not. 10 out of 10 difficulty on that body. This is a great chassis, great kit. I got this for about $119 April 2022. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.